Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is professional social media banner, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest and extras. All files are PSD and these files are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. Okay, and first is Facebook. Here is PSD file, total 12 PSD file with photo. And here is just a preview. You apply your own photo here, change this color, write any text and change background. That's mean fully editable files. Success is not what you have but who are you. Wow. Fashion workshop. And here is office mess. Okay, Ramaslot Literature collection, travel note, winter collection, and here is guide to sign up Europe, new fashion collection, and last is new fashion blogging trees. These files for for Facebook, a horizontal, and here is scared or like a vertical for Instagram. Here is Pinterest in APS and AI file. Wow, same. Here is vertical for Pinterest and here is background. Okay, and first I apply this one. Here we need 3 images, 1 2 3. Image 1, black donut. You can change color or you can apply black scare. You can change color. Sorry, here is colorful. Depend your on, just cancel. And here is background. Oh, and last is background color. Double click. Depend your own choice. Image 1 2. Here is mask. Just you click right click and create clipping mask. 1 by 1. No. And here is new fashion collection. Simply import image or change anything. I know you can do easily. I hope these files are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz. And password in this app.